morning. So today we are going to do a meditation that was inspired by Mr. Rogers. So the focus is love, connection, and feeling. Hence why I'm wearing my shirt, Feelings Are Okay, given to me by a wonderful friend. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat. You can lie down on your back. You can stay upright in a seated position, or you can sit on your sofa, wherever you're most comfortable. If you're comfortable doing so, then close your eyes. Take a nice deep inhale through your nostrils, and exhale, sigh out of your mouth. Take a few more of those cleansing breaths. Getting any tension out of your body. And then begin to settle in deeply to your place of meditation. And begin to notice how you feel this morning. Notice at the level of body how you feel, physical body, emotional body, mental body. Notice all the aspects of yourself. Just noticing, not judging. And next, begin to connect to your breath. As you inhale through the nostrils, draw that breath in completely. Exhale through the nostrils, releasing that breath. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Extending the exhale. Inhale for a count of whatever's comfortable to you. And exhale a little bit longer than your inhale. Do that a few more times. And I'm just going to read a few things that are inspired by Mr. Rogers. Number 1, it's okay to feel whatever it is you feel. Number 2, but our feelings are not an excuse for bad behavior. Number 3, other people are different from us and just as complex. Number 4, it's our responsibility to care for the most vulnerable. Number 5, we can make a difference right where we are. Number 6, it's important to make time to care for ourselves. So just allow any of those words to sink into your heart and into your mind. Take time to notice what is mentionable to you. So one of the great quotes of Mr. Rogers has a few word phrase in it, and the phrase is, whatever is mentionable is manageable. Sometimes we mention how we feel, but then we just stuff it right away, and we don't ever deal with it. And the brain sees our repressed emotions as a greater predator than physical pain even. So many of us have just become used to stuffing how we feel and not connecting to those emotions, sitting with them, sitting through them, and then moving on. So take some time to notice what's been mentionable to you lately. Let those thoughts come to mind. I'm just going to sit here quietly. Whatever it is that's mentionable to you, is it manageable? If it's not, how can it be? few moments to think about that. Sometimes for things to be manageable, we might need to ask someone we trust for help. We might need to journal about it. We might need to do something physical to get that energy to move through our body, maybe even out of our body. Take a few more moments to seal those thoughts about things that are mentionable being manageable. And now we're going to move on to the next part of our meditation that is connecting to others. So think about anyone in your life, present or past, who has loved you into being. So again, I'm just not going to talk for the next few moments. So if your eyes are closed, just see those people, see that person, see those individuals who have loved you into being. Now that you've thought about those individuals that have loved you into being, take a moment to even say their names out loud and say thank you. Thank you, so-and-so. Now just allow yourself to come back to your breath. Do the same thing we did at the start. We'll inhale for the count of 4. Exhale for the count of 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue on your own, just extending the exhale a little bit longer than the inhale. And just let go of the counting. And take a few more moments to seal this time in meditation. And to take your hands and extend the arms up towards the sky, bringing your hands together at heart center, closing your eyes if that's in your practice. Take one more moment to just embrace this time. Remembering whatever you feel is okay to feel. Sit with it. Notice. Let it go if you need to. Maybe you need to sit with it a little bit longer before you let it go. Thank you for sharing this time and space with me. The goodness and light in me, bow to the goodness and light in each one of you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.